Should have uploaded till the definition of the Leonardo da Vinci, right? Let's do the quick revision. The quick revision I shall do with that. Geomorphology, we all know the geomorphology. Geo means the earth and morphology means the structure. As we all know, the highest peak is the Mount Everest, about 8850 meter, right? And the lowest means and the deepest trench is the Mariana Trench, right? That is 10,395 meter, right? So we can see that the Earth's surface has no uniformity, right? It is not uniform. Actually it is actually up and down. The structure of the Earth's crust is not uniform. It is like a curve up and down. Somewhere is mountain, somewhere is plateau, somewhere is hills, right? 10,395 meter, right? So we can see that the Earth's surface has no uniformity, right? It is not uniform. Actually it is actually up and down. The structure of the Earth's crust is not uniform. It is like a curve up and down. Somewhere is mountain, somewhere is plateau, somewhere is hills, right? So, if we talk about the definition, the Strabo has given that geomorphology is a study about the landforms that we see on the surface of the earth, right? And the Leonardo Vinci has told the importance of the fluvial processes about the erosion and sedimentation. And the William Morris Davis was an American geographer that was the father of the modern geomorphology. He studied geomorphology as the process that shapes the earth's surface and the landform that results from the process. Davis emphasized the concept the of the cycle of erosion which describe the evolve of landscape. Simply, geomorphology, William Morris Davis want to say that geomorphology is the study about the earth, say, which is not uniform in nature, right? And and it tells about the processes of the rivers, like of the of the rivers, erosion, transportation, and the sedimentation, right? And what is the scope of geomorphology? Now let's come up the scope of geomorphology. Landforms, the landforms we see, right? Mountains, how the mountains gets evolved. There are geomorphic processes, right, which is creating the landforms on the surfaces. The processes about the energy, we are talking about the geomorphology. Geological history, about what period, in which age. There's a Cambrian area, there's Precambrian area, right? So in which age there are Archean periods. So in which period does the evolution of the landforms has taken place? Nature of geomorphology, scientific in nature, because after the observation, after the field survey, after the measurement, we study about the landforms, and after studying that, mapping is done through the remote sensing or the GIS processes. Dynamic in nature means we can see that the structure in the earth keeps on changing. This is a fact of the nature. Some of the landforms get destroyed and some landforms get created. This is a part of the nature, right?